Welcome to Recreation, USA. Let's take a quick look at the brand new 2027 Forest River Vibe 2600RK travel trailer. Rear kitchen, dual recliners, private bedroom, fiberglass front cap. The ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer. Searching for a 2027 Forest River Vibe 2600RK in South Carolina, or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end rear kitchen floor plan you have been waiting for. Designed for comfort and quality time, this trailer features dual recliners, a spacious living area, and a private master bedroom. Because we order custom elite-spec inventory, this unit is built with premium materials to ensure total comfort at any destination. Make this beauty yours today and give us a call at 843-215-1800.